welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming my third vlog. So this is actually going to be like a cooking type of vlog, I guess, because today I'm actually receiving my family over. My brother came from Djibouti, so I'm trying to like host a dinner for him. So yeah, so we're going to cook Somali food today. So I'm going to cook, my cousin will also be cooking a dish, and my sister will be making a dessert. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna make barris hilib, so rice and meat, Somali way, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me today. And also, before I continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel and join the family. I'm really trying to reach the 3K before the end of 2019. So please take the time to click on that subscription button. So for those of you guys who are new to my channel, before I continue, my name is Naz, and my channel is all about nutrition and holistic and healthy, basically, lifestyle. So far what I did, sorry for the lighting, is really bad. So far I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm cooking. So right now what I'm making is basically, I'm boiling the meat. As you can see, this is like a lot of meat. So what I like to do is basically first boil the meat and then drain the first water and then boil it again. So I'm gonna boil this for like hopefully less than an hour because people are coming pretty soon. And what I'm doing with my rice is I soaked my rice. It's been more than an hour now that it's soaking in this water. So this is what I like to do. And then of course, once this is like fully cooked, I'm gonna make the hilib, make the meat. I'm going to do hilib puris. Somali people, you guys know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to use the water of the meat to make my rice, to make it more flavorful. So this is basically bone broth, and that just brings the rice to the next level, seriously. So this is pretty much it, what I'm gonna do for now. The house is clean. I'm just waiting for my cousin and my sister to come, and we're all gonna start cooking, hopefully. And I'm not sure if you can see, but this is a typical Somali traditional clothes that we wear usually to stay at home. Obviously I don't wear this underneath, but obviously I need to cover for the video. But it's really fun because you can legit have like different colors. We call it sheet. I know Ethiopian people also wear this. So, yeah, I kind of like played with the color and matched my scarf with the green here. Anyways, so this is the outfit of the day, guys. Hey guys, so right now we're in the middle of the cooking, and here's Marion.
It's been a while, guys.
Oh my god, the lighting is really bad, by the way. Let me go on the other side. Much better. So what are you doing?
Just prepping some butter chicken. We're seasoning it up because we don't do bland out here.
So do you have like a recipe, or you're just like winging everything?
Yeah, it's a recipe by one of my Indian friends, Miriam. Shout out to her.
Okay. So
I just didn't want to dig with my hands today because I don't have an outfit change if I get food coloring or turmeric on my clothes.
So you're making butter chicken sauce?
Basically, yeah.
With naan.
Stay tuned for the final product.
Great. So guys, my meat is almost, well actually it's done. Now I'm gonna start like, not frying, but roasting, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna start making the hilib puris. And then I have my potatoes here. I'm gonna work with like small little potatoes. They just take less time to cook. And I have my onions here. I have my bell pepper. I have I asked my husband to buy cilantro, and he bought something close to cilantro. What is it, by the way?
That sounds accurate. That looks like
no, that's not cilantro. That's parsley, yeah.
Curly parsley.
Yeah, it's the same thing. And this will be for the shikni. My rice is been what do you call this?
Don't forget the hamar soaking.
Yeah, my rice has been soaking for like 3 hours almost. The hamar is another story. I'm gonna show you guys how. I actually already have a video but like Somali food and whatever. And yeah, so everything is coming together. We also have some desserts coming up. My sister is making some cheese cupcakes, I guess, keto version, so I can also enjoy. But these people, they're so like...
These people?
Yes,
there's only one person.
Anyways, they got this, guys. And this is like my all-time carrot cake.
If you live in Canada and you go to Walmart, you guys have to try this. Even for someone who doesn't like carrot cake.
Oh my god.
My sisters love it.
No, this is my favorite carrot cake. I might take like a slice. We'll see.
What did I say?
I might.
I said if Christopher breaks her keto, it's for cutting.
I swear. And then we have the naan for the chicken, butter chicken sauce. This is for Ladan, of course.
Can't forget the sriracha.
Sriracha and more, what we call naan. So yeah, this is what we're doing so far. So now I'm gonna start cooking the hilib, and then I'm actually gonna use the water, like the bone broth we have here, to cook the barris. Because it just makes the barris, like brings it to the next level. So I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna cook the hilib, and then I'm gonna make the rice, and that's pretty much it for me. But that's already a lot. So yeah, guys, we're just trying to update you guys. My sister don't want to be in the vlog. Do you want to be in the vlog? No, she doesn't want to be in the vlog. But anywho, that's what's up.
So we have progress with Mr. Hugdish. What do you have going on right now?
So this is basically the onions and all the vegetables and potatoes that's gonna go with the hilib. The hilib is almost done. It's like ready, but I still need to like mix.
It's nice and flaky, like it's
typical Somali hilib.
If you know how to make it right, you'll know this looks good.
So I'm gonna top it off with this and then put it in the oven. And yeah,
basically some roasted veggies or
potato,
parade. And then the chicken's going there, just working on the sauce now. We're waiting for the onions to caramelize.
The chicken is actually really good, guys.
It's very spicy.
It is.
That's how we do it. And how's the dessert going over here?
Going good. Just don't look at it.
We got some keto
cheese
cake type cups thing in the making. Oh, I never noticed these are reusable.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, we'll update you in a bit.
So I'm done with the meat. It looks really good. I'm going to put it in the oven. Like maybe I'm gonna roast it for like 20 minutes. The potato and everything is pretty much done, but I just want everything to be like, you know, roasted, I guess. And now I'm gonna start making my hilib, my bris, so my rice.
We make her laugh and blush.
Oh my god.
Her face.
Anyways, I'm gonna make so I'm gonna start with the onions, of course. I have my rice here. This is not gonna take me more than 10 minutes, seriously. Because my rice is almost like halfway cooked. I'm just gonna cook it a little bit. And I'm gonna use this. This is basically a mix of like cilantro, the bone broth that I have here. What else? Maybe some jalapeno, I believe. Just a bunch of stuff. And this is almost done. Well,
it isn't. The foam is still.
Yeah.
The cream is still. It's blending.
Yeah. Keep it like that. It looked like a real shot.
Stop. Never.
Look, the mess, guys. Seriously, this is what happens when there's like more than 2 people in the kitchen.
Wait, update the mixing bowl.
So yeah, so she's done with the crust for the cheesecake, and now she's basically making like the cheesecake. Yeah, right. So yeah, things are coming together, guys. It's already Well, you can't see the time, but it's already what?
Where is it?
It's already 4 something. It's already 4 something.
It's your mom.
And we should be done by like, we should be done in an hour, hopefully.
Maybe take this off. So, I just wanted to come back here to redeem myself and show you that my butter chicken is now basically ready. It's not yellow, guys, don't worry.
This is the biddies, guys. This is like, I have so much pressure right now. Because you know when grandma is here, the biddies has to be on point.
The criticism of grandparents.
I swear.
Yeah, and then let's show you guys the masterpiece. I don't even care for meat, but I'm so excited to try this. I'm actually so excited. And then here is Lagan, Miss Anonymous today.
You know
Her
what you should add?
dessert.
You should add the cream. Do you have cream left?
What cream? You look so good in this lighting.
Thank you. Anyways, I was saying, do you have cream? Like, you know do you have cream left over there?
No.
Okay guys, so my rice is ready. I try to make it as artistic as possible, but you know. So this is the rice. Looks really nice. What else do we have? The butter chicken is ready. Looks pretty red, but it's just the camera. And then I have my hilib here and my roasted chicken. Is it still on it? And we're just gonna clean the mess. We just have the chicken left to do and the salad, and that's it. Okay guys, so the food is ready. So we have here our hilib with potatoes and a bunch of roasted vegetables. We have, of course, the salad here that nobody eats. We have some naan here. We wanted to make a homemade naan, but we didn't have time. So we just bought store-bought naan. We have the rice here, beautiful. And we have the shikni. We have some roasted chicken. And we have the chicken butter sauce. So yeah, this is the full table. And for the dessert area, we wanted to chop some vegetables, but we don't have time for that. So, and on this side, we have some homemade keto cheesecake, cheese cupcakes, I guess. We have my all-time favorite carrot cake here. Some brownies. This is like the classic brownies we always get. This is dessert and some juice and some water. But yeah, so now we're just waiting for the family to come over. And but the food is served, guys. What is that? Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. We're still waiting for like half of the family to come. You know, Somali people and
Running on that East African time.
anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and
The food, because we did.
and all the food we cooked for kind of you guys also, right? 'Cause they were,
Yeah, say if you guys ever want a recipe, hit us up.
Anyways, make sure to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share my videos. And inshallah, we will see each other next week. Bye!